Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get back the Windows 7 control panel in Windows 10. So as you can see, this is Windows 10 21H2, and we're going to go ahead and bring back the Windows 7 control panel. So now I'm going to bring up a form from WinClassic. You'll need this link here. It works on 1507, 20H2, 22H2. So we're going to go ahead and grab the latest version, which is 3.2.25, 2023. So go ahead and download that. It's going to ask you to sign in. Just close out of this and hit skip and hit file, download. And then continue with download only. And then we're going to go ahead and save this to our desktop. And then we also need to download WIndHawk. Go ahead and download WIndHawk. Save that to the desktop as well. And we'll also need to, and then you will also need winaerotweaker. Let's see if I can find that here. Alright, here's winaerotweaker. We're going to need that as well. So now, first things first, we're going to install winaerotweaker. Click on yes. Hit next, next, accept, next, install, next. Go ahead and uncheck these two boxes and delete the executable. Now what you need to do is you need to extract Cpl Restoration 3.2. Alright, so now we got Cpl Restoration, and we're going to go from top to bottom. So let's go ahead and also install WIndHawk. And one more thing I did forget to mention, we do need a copy of Hiren's boot CD. You will be needing that as well for some parts of this mod. Go ahead and uncheck Run WIndHawk and hit Finish. So now go ahead and go back to Cpl Restoration. I'm going to go to Control Panel Links. Open up the README. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to go to Start, and you are going to go to Windows System and open up File Explorer and open up Cpl Restoration. And we're going to move on to the next page. So we're going to go to Pages, and we're going to simply start replacing all these and add them into System 32.